Alright guys, hey, this is David. I'm going to do a review on this wireless doorbell, and want to give a thanks to Lynn with WSDCAM, the makers of this and the sellers of this on Amazon, and they asked me to do a video. So here we go. It's a wireless doorbell. It's a KSDB03, waterproof, long range, low temperature resistance. And there has normal doorbell, private doorbell, 48 ringtones, 5 volume levels. There's a night light, a ringtone rhythm lamp, long range transmission free combination pairing, 85 to 97 decibel loudspeaker, pre-alert detection function optional, so I don't think I have that one. So anyway, let's open her up and see what we get. And you know, you're greeted with the typical owner's manual, so we won't go through that on this one, but here we got a couple of sticky backs to attach it to, like, to your where your front door is, or whatever you're going to use it for, what door and whatnot. So all right, we'll put those there, and then you get the actual door, the doorbell. It's not the one that sounds. This is the one that you're going to push at the door, and you know, it has that. When you push this, you'll see that little bell there, quick blue color. All right, so but look at this. You know, you don't have to push on that. You just push this bottom part here, and like that. So, you know, it almost looked, when I opened this, it almost looked like it was coming apart, but that's not the situation. That's the way it's made, and you can press it and it comes right back. See that? All right, so all right, you get 2 of these. You get package with a Phillips screw on there, and a oh, I forgot what those things are called, to put in the wall, and then you put the screw in and it holds the part that you want in the wall, which is one of these, and I suppose that's the hole there. But anyway, you can use the let's see, where are we at? All right, anyway, this here will plug into your wall outlet. So, and I think this is where the sound is going to come from. So just be patient 1 second. I'm gonna plug it into the wall over here. I have to unplug my mic. Wow, did you hear that? Now, let me come back over here. So let's check it out. All right, I got the receiver plugged into the wall, so let's push this and get a sound out of it. That's pretty loud. Now there is a volume control on that unit, so you can there's a volume control on that unit, so you can adjust the volume, and you can adjust the bells or the sound. you can hear the different tones of the bell, doorbell. So anyway, yeah, it's we're gonna take this to the Philippines with us and put it on our house there, and so we'll go from there. All right. Thanks again, Lynn, for the opportunity to review your product. Hope you like it. And everybody take care. And we shall see you later. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye. All right, guys. So here's a better look at the bell here. It's plugged into the wall, and here's the part that you would like attach outside your front door or whatever door you want. And you know, just push on it, and has many different sounds. I think it's at 48. I went through a lot of them. I'm not going to go through all of them one by one. But there's the one that I have it on now. Pretty cool. And I think you can push on this to stop it. Yes, like that. So anyway, it's pretty cool. It'll work. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks again, Lynn, for the opportunity to review this item. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.